Welcome back tuning into today's video. We're doing the weekend forecast today. Going to have a detailed look, or as detailed as we can get, look at the weather for the coming week. It's been a very hard week to pin down next week. It still is proving quite problematical, really, from around Wednesday onwards. How settled it gets is a very mute point. There's the suggestion that high pressure is trying to ridge in off the Atlantic from the Azores, and that could potentially be quite nice, but low pressure sort of in the North Sea, close to the East Coast, could keep things a little bit more unsettled there, and it could also break down from the northwest. But I think we'll probably get a couple of days of drier, warmer weather from around Wednesday, Thursday, possibly just about lasting into Friday, but it still is quite low confidence sort of forecast from midweek onwards. Before I get on with the weekend forecast, though, just to say about the advertising. There's video ads I paid you at GarsWeatherVids.com. If you could press play on the video ad, you'd be supporting GarsWeatherVids.com. It helps for me sit here and talk to you via website. Basically, it pays the website. So thanks for getting involved and doing that. The radar pictures coming from the weatherout.com. We'll have some charts from there at the end of the video. We've also got charts from wetset.de. Invite the link to both of those websites on my links page. So we've had the rain coming across the country overnight last night and previous morning. It's clearing away now into the North Sea. There's the last vestiges of that persistent rain in the North Sea going off the radar picture now. We've got showery bits and pieces of rain following on behind. Some quite heavy showers in the west, particularly West Scotland and down into Ireland. These showers across southern and southeast England at the moment are fairly light, but they do have the potential to sort of spark up through the course of this afternoon. So down in the southeast could get some heavy showers. Elsewhere, probably not too many showers coming through in the east. Here's today's Soptic pressure chart. Low pressure is in control of the pattern. So I think we're going to find showers across the country really for this afternoon. Sunshine and showers really sums it up, but it's always more difficult than that, of course. The heavy showers and the most frequent will be in the west and the northwest. Also, the potential some heavy showers coming into the south and the southeast, but through the Midlands, sort of eastern England, perhaps into the northeast of England, not too bad, I don't think. There will be showers around, but a lot of dry weather with some sunny spells going through. So maybe not too bad for qualifying at the Grand Prix, for the Grand Prix at Silverstone. Maybe not too bad for the Tour de France in Yorkshire either. But all areas will have a risk of some showers this afternoon. Temperatures, well, it's down on what it has been, but I think even so, we'll see temperatures getting up to around 22 or 23, somewhere into the low 70s, about where we should be for time of year. But it's cooler, certainly in the east and the southeast, than it was yesterday. Now, overnight, we've got a bit of a fly in the ointment in the southeast, because we're going to bring another sort of pulse of rain through across southeastern England, this little feature just here. So, far southeast of England, and eventually getting up into the south of East Anglia, we could get some outbreaks of rain later in the night. Otherwise, showers die back to western coast and become clear and dry. Temperatures will get quite chilly actually in the north. Could be as low as 6 or 7 degrees. Certainly cooler than it has been for the last few nights. That rain in the southeast could take a little while to clear the far southeast of England and the far east of East Anglia on Sunday morning, but it should go away through the course of the morning. And then really we're looking at sunshine and showers coming in around this area of low pressure. So after a brightish sort of morning across the Midlands, eastern England, away from the far southeast, we'll find showers spreading in from the west, and most places will be at risk of showers through the course of Sunday afternoon. Some of them could be heavy with risk of hail and thunder. Not everywhere will get them. Some places will stay dry with sunny spells. So for the men's final at Wimbledon, probably they'll need the roof at some point if a shower comes through. For the Grand Prix at Silverstone, I think there is a risk of showers tomorrow afternoon, so that could make things quite interesting there. These showers could be quite heavy with a risk of hail and thunder, and they could be slow moving in places as well. Temperatures a little bit down, probably around 20 or 21 at best. That's around 70 Fahrenheit. The low pressure still in control. There's a showery, shallow feature on Monday, so it's a showery day really. Sunshine and showers sums it up. A bright enough start with sunny spells, but the clouds will bubble up through the course of the morning. Showers will break out in the afternoon. Some of them will be heavy with risk of hail and thunder. Again, some places will miss them and stay dry. Temperatures will be perhaps a little bit up to around 21 or 22, generally around where we should be this time of the year. Going through to Tuesday, we're extending a ridge of high pressure in off the Atlantic, but I think this trough of low pressure is probably still going to be close enough to us to still be producing some showers, but driest, brightest weather will probably be for Ireland, Wales and southwestern England. Elsewhere there will probably be a risk of more showers through the course of Tuesday. If this low pressure is in the North Sea, as some models, ECMWF for instance, suggest, it could actually be quite wet on the eastern side down the east coast, some quite heavy rain. So again, even from Tuesday, there is divergences within the models as to the exact detail of this. Temperature maybe lifting up to around 23, that's 73 Fahrenheit. Going through to Wednesday, the idea from this particular run of the GFS model is that the Azores high is extending in quite nicely, but this low pressure that's over Germany here on this chart could be in the North Sea. So if it's there, and that's where the ECMWF is placing it, we could have further showers, maybe even some longer spells of rain running down the east coast and quite a cool northerly wind. But driest, brightest weather though will be in the west, and that could extend across all parts of the country through the course of Wednesday. Low confidence in the forecast from Wednesday onwards. Temperature potentially up to 24, that's 75. Thursday, I think high pressure is ridging in off the Atlantic pretty nicely. So again, I think we're looking at a mainly dry day for most western parts of the country. Could still be showers in the east, but I think perhaps Thursday is our best chance of a universally dry day with sunny spells coming through. Temperatures up to 25 in the south, so warming up, picking up a little bit day by day. 25 is 77 Fahrenheit. Now as we go through to Friday, very low confidence in the forecast here, but low pressure is beginning to come back into the north, so I think we'll be starting to see cloud and rain spreading into Scotland, North Rhine and Northern England, maybe a few showers breaking out ahead of it across England and Wales. Temperatures could be very warm though in the south, up to 26. That's getting close to 80 Fahrenheit. Going through to next weekend, low pressure is probably going to take over, producing showers or longer spells of rain, but the detail on that is very, very uncertain. Temperatures will probably be sliding back towards where they should be. If I have a look at the charts from the weather outlook, so that you can see the weather that's expected anyway in your region. This is the situation today. Showers really across many parts of the country, with persistent rain clearing away to the east, of course, and then it's sunshine and showers. Many of the showers will actually be in the west. Going through to Sunday, there's risk about persistent rain in the southeast on Sunday morning. That will clear away, and then we're looking at showers spreading in across the country. Some of them could be quite heavy, with a risk of hail and thunder. Going through to Monday, well, it's sunshine and showers really for Monday, and again some of the showers heavy, slow moving with risk of hail and thunder. For Tuesday, probably turning drier in the west, but showers likely for eastern parts of the country. Difficult to say how extensive those showers will be. There is potential maybe some longer spells of rain running down the eastern coast. Going through to Wednesday, things drying out, still the risk of showers probably in the east, but I think things are gradually turning drier through the course of Wednesday. For Thursday, mainly dry, I think. This is suggesting there could be some rain in the southeast, and that's really because of that low pressure that could be sitting in the North Sea, but the latest GFS run actually wants to place it over Germany. So a lot of uncertainty for Wednesday, Thursday, but I think the overall trend is probably drying out and warming up. Going through to Friday, a nice day really for many parts of the country, although it could be turning more unsettled again from the northwest later on, probably setting us up for a more unsettled spell next weekend. So in summary, well, it's pretty easy to forecast up to the middle of the week. Basically going to be sunshine and showers, and some of them could be heavy with hail and thunder, but not everywhere will get them. Some places will stay dry and have sunny spells. From midweek onwards, it's probably drying out and warming up, but how quickly that happens, particularly for the east, is uncertain. And then by the end of the week into next weekend, probably turning more unsettled and cooler again from the northwest. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.